wounds where the heart can heal. The wounded mind restored and made whole again. In Commode, by the ridge of the rowan tree, in the fields where I once ran wild, I close my eyes and the ghosts of our history go striding out again. Who minds of it now? Who will tell our story? Years breaking our strength in the coldest of misery. Boys old at 16, when worn out from hutch and drill, they toil the black seas, their ghosts on the mountain still. In Commode, by the ridge of the rowan tree, in the fields where I once ran wild,